Hi everybody, welcome back to Curiosity Corner Live. My name's Andy. Bow ties are cool. This morning we challenged you to make your own Mars rovers, and I improved my design. Here it is, as you can see, bow ties are cool. Um, and I put my name on it. So I'll explain the little parts of this thing. This is the camera. And the idea is that this would be able to sort of swivel out and take pictures. And then this white box has all the science experiments on it, and I drew a design on the top to represent a bunch of different circuits and science experiments for things to be tested. Now there's a little ramp at the bottom here and a probe. That ramp is for the little rover that goes with it. This rover is named Sonic, which was a suggestion from this morning, and I decided to make Sonic a sound probe. So this big rover, bow ties are cool, would be able to send Sonic, the sound rover, out down the ramp, and it would be able to detect sound in the ground or in the air or what have you, to test the sounds on Mars. So that's what I came up with. Keep building those rovers and share them on social media with the hashtag StayCuriousCLE, and definitely come back tomorrow at 10:30. I will be showing you paper helicopters. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me, and as always, stay curious.